Got him!
How's it going?
How are you?
Good.
What do you think's gonna happen this morning?
Well, I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, I haven't been told a whole lot.
Yeah, that's true.
So far, we got the decoys over here, blind here, winds in our face.
Decoys for us?
Yeah.
You got a big head.
How many dozen do we have?
You got probably 5 or 6 dozen full bodies. Bulk of them's on the hill there. Got a couple stragglers,
Right up
landing
here.
pack, you know. Trying to pull them right up here to do a cross shoot. It's hard to see in the dark. I'll show you when it gets light. But here's the blind situation. We're all set up, waiting on the geese to come in. Like I said, about 5, 6 dozen full bodies, some Bigfoots, mostly SX decoys we got here. Got the kill hole right out here, right where those 3 are. Hopefully the wind's going that way. Hopefully they come straight from the south, right into this cold north breeze up on this hill. Roost is that way, I believe, and possibly that way. Caleb's the guy that got permission on here. He's been watching them for a while. You want to tell him about it, Caleb?
It's like started as a 20 bird feed, so I got permission on it because there's a loaf we had permission on down the way. I just decided I'd keep track since it got cut. It just kept growing and growing and growing. We were watching it last night. There was probably 159 is what I counted, but the hill rolls and we couldn't really see them all. But talked to the family who owns it yesterday, and they're super excited for us to get the geese out of here. But we ran into a dude this morning. I mean, we had 7 trucks parked here, and if anybody who hunts waterfowl, you know that you just common courtesy is not to stop. But he came. We tried to come to a resolution. We offered to hunt with us, or we offered him to hunt with us, and he only had 4 guns. They were gonna run an A-frame. We're running A-frames. He opted not to do that. Thankfully for us, thankfully for him, because it would have been tough trying to hide on this hill. I mean, this is a really small field. No grass to run layouts in, and we weren't really expecting 11 guns, but everybody can make it today, and it's probably the last day we'll have a big crew for a long time, until late season when we get the opening day hunt, and then nobody else wants to stay out in the cold and rain with us because that's the only time geese feed. But they've been coming in smaller flocks. The biggest flock is like 30. They do like to come one after another, so we're gonna lay some ground rules here in the blind about 45 seconds when I stop talking.
Just because there's so many people. And we're glad you're with us. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it gets good. And Laura's going to be behind the camera. Shout out to her. She's going to be in her own little panel blind out back, getting some sick footage for us. So stay tuned for that. We're going to do our best to make a pile. Well, let's go.
Got him!
Call. Keep them up here. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming.
Shoot him, huh? Kill him!
You're up. That was cool.
Caleb get a band too?
That's awesome. Two here!
Let him do it, let him do it. Yep.
Cut him! Hey, got some right here.
That was awesome.
What's going on, guys? We've made a mess so far. We've had 4 volleys that have been just disgusting. 2 bands so far. We are getting into them, boys. They have come in perfect flocks on the deck right up to the blinds the whole way. It is nuts.
Got quite a pile going so far.
Cut him!
Get that. Nice shooting, boys.
Matt
goes first.
I want to draw first now, but I'm not gonna.
We'll see if
Don't look at it right away, Matt.
If Steve continues to talk. Let's go right to surface. Don't look at it? Don't look at it. Don't let the feather blow out either.
Throws away the wrong way.
I had a feather in my back pocket. You ready for this?
I picked last.
That one.
Jay picked last. He got most bands on his lanyard.
You get the mine. Matt gifted them. Big time, but no.
I don't want it.
I don't care.
All right, check them, boys. No way.
No way. No.
I got it.
Are you?
Hell yeah.
way.
Jesus, the last one. Let's see this.
Good job, Jay. Some knock. Good job, bud.
Man, that's awesome.
Alrighty, guys. We got Caleb going home with the first band he spotted. Picked that one out and shot it.
Why is it
And the
last?
second one, we're not sure who shot. We drew for it.
Want it anyway.
Getting a little rowdy over there.
first and last?
That's a stupid number.
Jason has 1. 4 of the last 6 drawings we've done, so it's crazy.
And he was the last one to draw.
That was
So,
a good
yeah.
hunt.
Yeah, that was weird.
Jason's going home with a man. Caleb's going home with a man. We're total for the 2 days, 101. Killed 73, 2 bands. Jack Miner yesterday. We're gonna get finished picking up here. Can you get anything to say before we close it out?
Yeah, that was a really fun hunt. What we shoot, 73? 73 and 2 bands. That'll exceed the limits any day.
You guys are looking for a decoy. They're new to the market. It's called SX decoys. We stocked up on these for the season. These ones are fully flocked. They are absolutely amazing, especially in this bright sun. There's no glare whatsoever on these decoys. No matter what angle you're at, they look so real. The link will be in the description below. If you want to go check those out, they make every type of decoy, mallards, geese, and they're awesome. So that's what we're running all year. And that's the result right there, folks. That's a pile. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you guys tuning in today. Leave a comment on whatever you thought of the hunt. Hopefully you liked it, and we'll be back tomorrow. Stay tuned.